Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to continue our work on tutorial JavaScript for beginners, and today we are going to deal with classes and JavaScript. We already made in tutorial part 1 index page and JavaScript file, and we are going to delete all this code, and this we are going to change to available and unavailable. And this we are going to change to tutorial JavaScript part 2. Save. Now we are going to make one CSS file, create, and we can save that to JavaScript tutorials folder, and with in the same folder with index page and JavaScript file, and we are going to name that with Stylesheet.css. In that style sheet we are going to make two classes that we are going to use after, and one is going to be true, width is going to be 100 pixels, height is going to be 100 pixels, and the background color is going to be green. And the second one is going to be false, and width and height is going to be the same as the class true, but the background color is going to be, for example, red. False red and true green. Now we can check our HTML. We have one div with ID available and one ID with ID unavailable, and we can add some text here, one paragraph with text, this is going to be green, and here you can add another with the text, this is going to be red, for example. And in web browser, this time we are going to use Firefox. We can reload our page, or we can show preview in Firefox, and this is it. Now we can start with our JavaScript file, and we can add one variable with name green, and second variable with name red, and then we can add green that is equal to true, and red is equal to false. Now we need to add variable, and to find our div tag, div element with ID available, and that we are going to do with variable L is going to be equal to document dot get element by ID, and we are going to specify the ID of that element, and it's going to be available. And then we are going to add class name to that L variable, to that element with ID available, and it's going to be green. Green is variable, this one, with value true, and true is going to be a class name exactly, and in style sheet we have that class name true with some values, and it's all, and it's going to be green. And second one variable is going to be L, for example red, is equal to document.getElementById, and we are going to specify our second div with ID unavailable. You can copy this and to place here. When we specify that, we need to add class name, and LRed variable is going to be with class name is equal to red. And this red variable has value false, and false in style sheet is red. We can save this. And one more thing, we need to add link to our style sheet in HTML, in our HTML, and that we are going to do with link rel is equal to style sheet, type is equal to text CSS, and ref is equal to style sheet dot CSS. And we can save this, and now we finished our code, and we can reload our page, and that's it. This is going to be green, and green is shown in div with ID available. We first find our div with that ID, and then we specify class name that is going to be add to that div. And the same is with this is going to be red, and there is assigned class with name false. It's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. We are going to work with arrays. Goodbye.